All right, what's up guys? So today, it's gonna be a pretty eventful day, if you ask me. The reason I say that is because right now, I am leaving to go, I'm going to Vanderbilt to go watch my boy Dalen run. He's running for Belmont, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I've never been to a college track meet, so this should be pretty cool to see. So yeah, we'll see y'all there. All right, guys, we made it. Gotta get a move on. Well, guys, we made it. It's kind of crazy. What up, boy? How you doing? You ready? Yeah. Oh yeah. We made it to the vlog. Yo, dude, I was wondering. I was like, is Kyler gonna be here today?
Of course. How you doing, man?
Dude, I'm
The vlog cam?
Yeah, I got the vlog out. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Dale.
Come on, Dale. Come on, Dale. What's up, man?
Yeah, I ain't gonna get any of that. I couldn't even see. What it do?
Oh,
You forgot the handshake.
I have a stress fracture.
I know. Yeah, we heading out. Don't know what I'm finna go do now. Probably just gonna go home for now. Oh my God, it's the boy, the man, the myth, the legend, Isaiah Lopez. Yeah.
Hi, how are you, man?
Joseph Baba's here. Oh my God.
I thought you were just gonna leave me out there.
What on, man? What on, man? There's a lot of cars out there.
Not right now.
I ran a 7.2.
Not right now. How long has it been since you ran? Since state.
It's ugly at.
Wrap around. Painful thing I think I've ever done in my life.
I don't know what's
How much
it like.
was it?
Yeah, how much was it?
Hey, Chad, check that out.
Boy. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, hold on. Yeah, dude, ugly is it?
It's pretty light, honestly.
What are you talking about? Guys, look. Her bumper's about to fall off, bro. But I'm holding chat. Baba. Baba. This dude's an idiot. You're literally a bum. You're a bum. You're a bum. Oh, okay. I fucking these bitches alright.
In the meantime, we're in Copper 5, aisle L5.
Clip Mario's hair. Okay.
Let me cook. Don't let me cook. Quit playing with bro. Hey, you care to answer some questions?
All right, we made it out of Walmart.
Alex, I can't. Alex.
God damn.
Like, it's snowing outside.
You have to turn it on before, because we're gonna have gloves on, bro.
So yeah, it's currently snowing outside. It's like a blizzard. So we're getting ready to get out there and adventure. I think we're ready. I'm low-key like kind of. Oh,
Do we have anything in the pouch?
check this out, guys. Oh wait, y'all can't even see it. All right, so we're actually gonna walk to like a construction site. They're actually building it in front of our neighborhood. I brought my batteries just in case.
I just want to let you know it's okay. Since I had to end the call.
Nobody gives a fuck. I go cap. The snow going in like, it's like headwind. So it's like, as I'm walking, it's hitting my face, bro. Can I help you? Can I? At first I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad, but it's pretty bad now. Oh yeah, that's your
Oh,
heart.
that's what I wanted to do. Thank God I got my phone. This man got the most sophisticated walk.
Club. I missed. Oh, that's ass.
You know, kind of bad though. Bro, like.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking What the fuck are you talking about? Oh! That shit disintegrated as it fucking... oh, dude, I forgot to bring the, I forgot what it's called. What did I say I was gonna bring for the camera? I forgot what I was...
Yo, this car's speeding. Yo, the car's speeding.
So guys, if I do include any of this footage, it's not gonna focus because the snow, it's catching the snow. So, Chad, look at this, bro. This is ice.
You won't eat it.
It's probably from the right. Hey, ready? Every man that watches is gonna say, hell yeah.
That was so ass.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it's just gonna get the snow, isn't it?
Well, he just got a picture of me coming down.
Chad, this is so crazy. Oh, McDonald had a little Johnson. What? What?
There's no audio.
I'm gonna put the like subtitles. I'm gonna put Japanese and be like, help me.
Where you going?
Sitting course. Hey. Jinx, you owe me a Johnson. I got an idea. Oh!
Dead GG.
Did that look good? Did that look good? I just want to get a
You
still
got
for the
freeze
thumbnail.
You got freeze frame, bro.
Did you just call that a porta fort? That is a porta potty. That is not a porta fort. Oh yeah! Oh, hey, don't smoke cigarettes. It's bad for you. Cut. He's smoking cigarettes.
Look at that goof ass boy. I'm on mom.
Dude, that's so convenient because literally I told you today, I was like, bro, I literally woke up. No, like I woke up and I was like, bro, I want to film today. You see him up there? See that jigaboo? Oh, I almost hit him. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it for today. Chat, we made it to Evan's house. We brought the sleds.
Alex, come here. Sit down in here.
I think this shit's going through my pants. Oh shit! Yeah! With the trust of my life, like I'm trusting this shit with my life, bro. Oh shit! Oh fuck me, dude. Yo, where the fuck are we? Oh shit! I switched hands. I switched hands. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! 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 Oh shit! Oh dude, my camera's so foggy. We're going to Dunkin' Donuts. First time ever starting the truck. It's a pleasure. Alright guys, we got our Dunkin' stuff. We're going home. I'm gonna get a four-wheeler, bro, just for these occasions. I have to. Oh, okay, yeah, y'all hear my Hellcat? Stopped at the gas station, guys. Getting a little quick snack. And I'm home. That pretty much wraps it for today. So, yeah, we'll see y'all later.